What's up everyone, welcome back to another video on the TechWolf channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your icons on your iPad bigger. So what you want to do is go to settings, go down to home screen and dock, and it's right here. You can make them bigger, and then you can go and make them smaller if you want, like that. When they're bigger, only 20 apps will show up on one page at a time, and when they're smaller, only 30 will show up. So yeah, bigger. There you go. If you want to see more videos by me, subscribe, leave a like and a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.